JFK's Adventures.
Welcome to JFK's Adventures. Woo!
Pagbili o pagbenta ng lupa sa lupa ng ano. Turning right, we're now in Camp.
We're lucky.
Campiatos!
We're going to Camp
Campiatos.
Ay. Sa Yatos. Thank you.
Salamat. Oh. The preserve.
Nakababa ka na now?
Okay.
Oh, yung...
Yan, kuya, go, go.
Yan.
River crossing.
River crossing.
Ganda ng river crossing. Wow.
Ay, may camp. May cow.
May
Ito
cow.
Campiatos.
Cow!
Kasi lagi na daw ikaw.
Campiatos, here we come. Patatanggal ko sa yung sapatos. Ayan na.
Campiatos! We're inside the ATVs and 4x4s.
Ayan yung ATV.
Finally here.
Yung ba yung CR?
Yeah.
Gusto ko na agad dito.
You like it here? So this is the A-type house. Pretty. And then there is the restroom. Ow. Shower room. This is how it... Uy! Saan nakabukas yung tubig? Yeah, shower. This is the toilet.
Yan yung
Let's
pang-wash ng hands si Mama.
Yeah, there's the toilet.
Mama, dumi ng CR na lasag kang piyatos. Mama, ganda ng lasag kang piyatos.
That's our car. We're gonna pitch our tent after umalis ng isa. So this is the entire hiatus. So there's the other toilet and shower area on the other side. Laki ng campsite.
Saan sa ilaw?
Solar yung lights eh. This way to the river.
I think same siya sa ano? Sa Temple? Temple ba yan?
Marilaki Camp.
Yung Marilaki tsaka.
We will cross a swamp. Oh, there are small fishes.
Hindi ako magkakot.
Kate and Caleb River Crossing. Swamp crossing.
Wait for me.
Wow, it's clean.
So clean.
Oh, it's warm.
Ay!
Careful. Okay, so how are you this trip?
I'm afraid.
I'm
I'm
not.
very, very afraid.
Hindi.
One.
3,
5,
Two.
4, 5,
1.
4.
Ah!
Nagulat ko naman. Nagulat ko naman. Bakit? Bakit mo na dyan yung nakalagay Gita Face Adventure? Saan si Kuya?
Yan. Ito yung loob ng yung bago namin tent, ng Moby Garden. Ito, Lansheng.
View, Lansheng 4.
Yon, Grand View Lansheng 4. Yan, by Moby Garden.
Range Rover series.
Oh, ang dami ng pangalan, Range Rover series din daw.
Yeah, ito yung...
So, anyway, pare-pareho lang daw yun. Ayan.
At yung... Mama, can you open my water, please?
Nasaan? Ito na.
Yan, oh.
So, ito yung riverfront ng Campeatus. Opposite of Campeatus is the River Ranch. Yan. We haven't been to River Ranch, so, but siguro one of these days pupuntahan namin yan para matry naman ko nung feel ng ilog ng River Ranch, sa side ng River Ranch. Kasi may pinagkaiba. Anyway, sige. See you later. Banding muna kami ng
Yeah.
banding muna tayo.
Hi, guys.
Lakas ang agos. Enjoy? Sarap?
Yeah.
Hello! Ah.
Ow. Wow.
After tumawid na kami, nandito na kami sa side ng River Ranch. Napansin ko pareho lang yung tubig sa side ng Piatus tsaka River Ranch. Pareho lang. Diyan si Kuya.
Huh?
Kuya's coming.
There's
Ayan o.
Kuya.
Come on, Kuya. Yan, there's Kuya.
Ow.
Kanina.
Kaya kanina warm. Ano nagustuhan mo dito sa Campeatus?
Ito.
Mas malakas yung tubig mo. Hindi kasi yung nagpunta tayo Marilago Camp last month. So konti pa lang yung tubig, so summer pa eh. Siguro yun lang, dahil yung ulan, marami na yung tubig. Malakas na yung agos. Masarap. Ito hindi na ganun kainit ngayon. No? So hindi naman tayo nahirapan mag-set up ng kaya hindi naman mainit. Nakaka-relax dito na sa tubig. Para kami namasahin ng tubig, no? It's like you're getting a massage. Wow. Sarap. Ayan lang. Simple joys.
Ano next?
Si Chef Kate.
Yung bigas, yung kanin, kamusta na?
What's next daw?
What's next?
Sana.
Hindi abot natin. Yeah, it's too hot.
So, good morning. It's almost 2 a.m. So, ito, lang kami dito sa camp. Siguro gusto kong tingnan kung kumusta naman ang performance ng bago namin tent, itong movie garden na to. Despite of heavy rains. So, tingnan natin kung okay yung waterproofing niya. Hi guys! Ito, breakfast kami.
Welcome back
Hello.
to our channel. This is day 2.
Day 2 in Camp Yatus.
Yeah, at the Rizal.
It was a rainy night last night.
Yeah, with a good night.
Sarap, malamig. Ito, breakfast. So, 9:45 breakfast namin. Yan, ganun kasarap matulog.
Tanghali na
Yan,
dumawa.
wala pa nga yung isa. Tulog pa si kuya. Nasa loob pa. So, malamang mamaya pa yung gigising, alas 12.
Napunit yung letter N.
What's our ulam?
We're having sausage.
Sausage,
Tuyo.
tuyo, and egg.
And we have
Tapos,
avocado.
avocado. Yeah. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung coffee ni
Yeah,
mama.
and this one is chili garlic.
The chili garlic. Did you put chili garlic on your rice?
This is not
Meron,
chili
wow.
garlic. It's just garlic.
No, that's chili garlic. Lalagyan lang yan. Nire-refill.
Chili garlic daw.
Yeah, it's
Yan, okay, sige. So, makulimlim ulit. Hopefully, makapag 4x4 kami mamaya. Tingnan natin. We'll see. So, balik ko rin mamaya. See you.
surprise. Surprise.
Puno yung ano.
Ay, ang konti. Hello.
Hi! Andito na kami sa Tanay Rizal.
Check mo yan.
What are you cooking?
Hindi
Tiempo.
nag-ihaw siya.
Yan po.
Yan po.
Talong for the ensalada.
Okay. Hey, ano naman yung ginigrill nyo ngayon?
Chicken and the fish.
Chicken and fish. Aping ko.
Okay. Hi, Caleb!
Caleb. Caleb. Caleb, look here.
kita Campia, tapos punta na kami ng
This is our space.
Mama, close. River crossing.
There's the preserve.